You can easily view and edit your My Menu for the full week by using our My Weekly Menu feature. From the My Menu page, click the My Weekly Menu button to access your My Week menu grid, or click the My Weekly Menu icon on the navigation bar from any page. This feature allows you to view and edit your planned My Menu for the full week. You have the option to enter your preferences by the meal for multiple days. You can also quickly delete undesired food or recipes. Let's add a food or recipe. Notice you are in preview mode. If you would like to eat oatmeal on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, it can easily be added to the grid. You like to make your own oatmeal, so we will narrow the search by checking the Recipes Only box. Or you can use our recipe analyzer to add your own recipe. Type oatmeal in the search box. Let's choose the basic oatmeal recipe. Gray boxes will appear in the calendar and you are now in edit mode. You may view the recipe before adding it by clicking on the source link. Now let's go to the blue breakfast section and select the gray box for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Click Save to confirm your edits. Now let's delete the original breakfast recipe. Hover over the original planned breakfast. You will see the red trash can appear. Click Delete. Let's do the same for Wednesday and Friday. Click on the Delete button to remove the items from your My Menu. When you return to your My Menu, you will see that it has been updated with the new changes you have made, and will automatically rebalance to meet the caloric target until adding the item exceeds our ability to rebalance your serving sizes, as they would be under the minimum portion amounts. Then you will receive the warning that nutrient totals are outside target.